The high content creators, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate automatic dubbing on your channel. This is a new feature which will be rolled out by YouTube. And guess what? This will heighten chances of, people from all angles of the globe to understand your content, in that your videos will actually be automatically translated in different languages. So now this feature will be active in 1 week time. So the earlier the better. If you happen to activate that right now, then definitely those videos that you'll be uploading will be getting dubbed in other languages. Then it's possible that age-old videos that have been sitting on your channel will also be upgraded. If they won't, then you'll need to actually do that manually. Let's take a dive and look at how you can actually activate that. So once you log on to your YouTube Studio dashboard, this is what you're gonna say. So how can you locate those settings so that YouTube begins to dub the videos that you'll be posting? So what you need to do is in the top right corner here, so as to access your YouTube Studio. Okay, so once YouTube Studio is active, you now get here to the left panel and then you click settings. You wait for this window to load and then you go to upload defaults. And then you click advanced settings. Here is where you're gonna see all those settings that I was talking of. So you scroll down and then you activate this, allow automatic dubbing or manually review dubs. You can as well deactivate this. So if you click here, you deactivate that and then you click save and you'll be warm and dry. So this will be rolled out in the next 1 week. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.